Hi. So many of you know that I do tarot on YouTube, but that's always just a general reading. And many of you do not know that I actually work as a professional psychic online. And in doing so, I have realized that there are certain rather strict guidelines and rules that we are to adhere to as psychics. We're not allowed to give you the same thorough advice that you would sometimes seek from a psychic, such as on your health or perhaps maybe advice legally, so on and so forth. There's many topics. You know how YouTube is censored. Um, the online psychic hotlines are no different. We are very censored, monitored, etc., to make sure that we're not doing or saying anything that goes against their guidelines. And they also charge very high fees, and then the psychics actually only get half of that money. And you're paying a lot out of pocket for a few minutes. So I have a website, you all know that. And I've created my own psychic hotline platform there. I'm going to provide the link to that down below if any of you are interested. I'll be offering this hotline from 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time until 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time every day of the week, 7 days a week. All you have to do is click on the link and follow the instructions to choose the amount of time and pay that you are willing to do for your psychic reading. So if you're interested in a very real, very thorough, very honest psychic reading from a true intuitive psychic medium, then I should hope that you will click the link, and I'll talk to you soon. Below in the comments, I'm going to add several of my reviews that I've received from my customers from the online website that I work for as a psychic, so that you can see for yourself just how people genuinely and truly feel about me. All right. So I hope to hear from you soon. Take care, be well, and be blessed.